Hello, my name is Dayana Cárdenas, and today we are going to do a little bit of review of some sounds. Let's start with the nasal consonants, which are created when you completely block the air flow through your mouth and let the air pass through your nose. An example of this is the sound like mud, like mouse. The oral passages is blocked by the closing the lips. Mm is a bilabial sound. Mm. Mm is a voiceless sound. It is pronounced with a vibration of the vocal cords. An example of this is the next sentences. Mike, 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 move to Mexico. Approximants are when two articulators come close, but not quite close enough to create air turbulence, like w, w, the sound w, like wet or work, wet, wet or work. Back to the town races to a Bylon, but not too close, and the lips are rounded. W sound is voice. We use the T in front to pronunciate it. Here is an example. We will, win, and win, and win. And finally, we have the last sound that we are going to review today. It's the sound when you make when the tongue raises to the hard palate, but not too close. It's the sound J, like yes and jeans. J, yes, J, jeans. The J sound is voice. The local cords vibrate during the pronunciation. The tip of the tongue pressed against the back of the throat, reach in while the slice of the tongue press against the upside tip. J, j. Here is an example. She enjoyed jump row with her friends. She enjoyed j, 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 jump row with his friends. That's it for today.